Behind me right here is Yodobashi. It's considered to be the world's biggest tech store. It's a pretty amazing place to visit, like stuffing 8 Best Buys into one. Let's go inside and take a look. Looking to come to Tokyo to score an amazing deal on cameras? Bad news, folks. The prices in the United States are actually just a little bit cheaper, but the shopping experience you'll never forget, and it's free.